Welcome back to the channel. If you have ever been working in Inkscape and needed to mirror an object or flip it exactly, you know that doing it manually can be a bit of a headache. Today, I am going to show you the fastest, most efficient way to flip objects in Inkscape, whether you are trying to create symmetry or just need to adjust your design layout. This is going to save you so much time during your design process. So if this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more Inkscape tips. Let us jump right into it. First things first, open up your project in Inkscape. If you do not have an object selected yet, you need to grab the Selection tool. You can either click on the black arrow icon in your toolbar on the left side of the screen, or simply press the S key on your keyboard. Once your tool is active, click directly on the object or vector shape that you want to manipulate. You'll see a bounding box appear around it, which confirms that your object is active and ready for transformation. Now, let us talk about flipping horizontally. This mirrors your object across the vertical axis, or effectively flips it from left to right. With your object selected, look at your keyboard and just press the H key. It's that simple. You should see your shape instantly mirror itself. This is incredibly useful for things like characters or symmetrical logo designs. Next, if you need to flip your object vertically, which mirrors it across the horizontal axis, or makes it turn completely upside down, the process is just as quick. Again, ensure that the target object is currently selected. This time, you are going to press the V key on your keyboard. Your object will immediately flip vertically. If you make a mistake or decide you liked the original position better, you can always hit Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on a Mac to undo the action instantly. A pro tip when working with this is to check your toolbar settings at the top if you ever forget the shortcuts. But honestly, learning the S, H, and V shortcuts will drastically increase your workflow speed over time. If you are doing complex illustrations, remember that these shortcuts work even if you select multiple objects at once, which is a massive time saver for grouping items. I hope this quick guide makes your design process much smoother. If you found this useful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more design tutorials that help you master your favorite tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.